Hi all, today we'll install XAMPP on Windows 11. This is the latest version. We'll show you how to install. Open any one of your favorite browser. Just type here XAMPP. Official website, it will be open here. Just click on XAMPP install and downloads here. Okay, just you directly over here. So we are going to install on Windows now. So if you want to try on Linux or like Apple versions, you can use these links. Just click on this Windows link, it will download automatically here. Yeah, it started. It's 150 MB, it won't take much time. Just let me go to the downloads here. I think it's almost done. Which is downloaded here. Just click on, double click here. It will ask in the your permissions in the middle. Just you can click on yes. You don't need to worry about anything. Just click on next here. See, with default XAMPP, so it will install MySQL and FileZilla and Tomcat and PHP admin. Okay, here you are able to see, right? Just click on next. So this is the folder where the XAMPP is going to install. So I'm going to select the D because my softwares and all will install here. Okay, let me select the folder also in the D. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You can install here. Just click on okay. Just click on next. It's a different. Okay, it's asking for. Folder. I will mention the test here. Click on next. Select the language English. Click on next. Click on next. It will take some time. You need to bear with me. It's almost done, guys. Yeah, we want to start this control panel. Just click on finish here. It will show you the control panel. Yeah, see, this is what, see, if you are not showing this control panel, so just click on here. You are able to see right here XAMPP control. From here you are able to open the control panel and start your XAMPP. Okay, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is able to help you install the XAMPP.